Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unpackaging this package, which if you read the title of the video, you will know what it is. But we need some we need a sprayer for some yard work, specifically spraying the driveway. So let's just open it up. I will have to put away the box because it does have my address on the other side, which I will not show. So this the manual is pretty cheap. It labels 20 volt max wireless spray gun manual. Okay, let's see how this thing works. So this one, let's see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this one should be pretty standard. Yeah, let's take a look. This is just a standard HVLP. I will read this manual later, but, okay. Anyways, so included are some accessories, which we'll check out later. So we have the main sprayer here. We have, this is the kind of little container where you store the paint. Here's the gun itself. Okay, trigger's okay. Now this one I bought because it's compatible with the Ryobi batteries. So let's give that a try. Here I have a fully charged 1.5 amp hour 18 volt lithium from Ryobi. Oh, okay, interesting. So in this one, the batteries actually go in backwards, which is really surprising. And there's a huge gap at the back here. So this one's not a great fit. It appears the plastic is warping a bit. Yeah, the battery tray is backwards on this one, so that's one thing to look for. So that works, I guess. We'll have to figure out more as we go on, but yeah, that looks like it'll work for now. Yeah, so let's check out the accessories included with this spray paint gun. So included in this accessory bag is a bunch of paper filters. It includes a few paper and the mesh filters. This is the viscosity measurement cup. There's also this little thing I assume is used to probably wash out that tube and the gun itself, maybe. And then we have this pin, which I don't know what it's used for. I'll have to find out. And then we have these three different nozzles. So we have a little blue one, which, see if there's any text on it. It says 1.8 millimeter diameter. The red one is a 1 millimeter. And this gray one is a 3 millimeter. Let's see what the default installed one is. The default one seems to be let me just take it off. This one is a 2.5, okay. That's interesting. There is a bit of grease too, leading up from the connection of the nozzle to the rest of the paint gun. So that's something that's pretty interesting. Let's see how we put this back on. Was it like that or like that? Let's see. Was it vertical or, yeah, okay, we'll do vertical. And then we're just gonna screw it back on like that. And yeah, so overall this one should hopefully be good. But one thing to note is it's nowhere near the quality you would get from an officially branded Ryobi tool. So this one's the 1 HP compact series, cordless, brushless drill. So this one has a lot of power. It feels really good in the hand. It's heavy. Plastic and the rubber has very good quality. This one's the Whisper series, high volume inflator. Very high quality feeling too. Slightly less quality than the HP series, which is to be expected. But this spray gun, which is not Ryobi branded, just definitely feels very cheap in comparison. This definitely feels like a knockoff. This one's just for one job, so it should be fine. But you can tell from the quality of plastic and the supposed rubber grip that this is nowhere and definitely not a Ryobi product. So that's it for today's videos. Thanks for watching.